ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐ.
Right now, I'm standing in front of
Sridevi Institute of Technology.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಏನು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ವ್ ಇಟ್.
Hello viewers, welcome to Campus I. Empowering youth through excellence in education to shape a better future. St. Aloysius College inaugurated UGC approved Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Kaushal Kendra at Loyola Center for Research and Innovation. Let's have a look.
Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Kaushal Kendra. It is a prestigious scheme that we have received. Out of 48 colleges in the country, only 2 colleges in Karnataka have received this grant, and we are really happy about it. Under this, we have got 3 courses, that is food processing and engineering, retail management and pharmaceutical chemistry. The 2 other community colleges also come under that. These are once again travel and tourism and communication and animation courses. So we are really happy to receive so many students under this scheme. Already there are 60 students under these 3 different courses, and there are about 30 students under these 2 courses in computer animation. So the courses are running successfully, and the good thing about this course is that they have got multiple exit and entry points. The students get certificate courses if they continue for 6 months. If they continue for 12 months, they'll get diploma, and if they continue for 24 months, they get advanced diploma, and they complete 3 years course, they get BWOC degree. It's a unique kind of a degree course, mainly to encourage the students from the marginalized society to get their degrees, and especially the skills, and through their skills they can get good jobs outside, and that way they become beneficial to the society.
The inauguration of Kaushal Kendra and 2 auditoriums were held on 31st of October at St. Aloysius College, Mangaluru. The ceremony began with a prayer song by college choir, followed by lighting of the lamp.
Light the lamp and formally inaugurate today's program. Member of Parliament Nalin Kumar Katil inaugurated the Kaushal Kendra, while District In Charge Minister B. Ramanath Rai inaugurated 2 newly constructed auditoriums named after Father L.F. Resquina and Father Robert Sequeira. Reverend Father Sweebat De Silva, Principal, St. Aloysius College, welcomed the gathering. MP Nalin Kumar Katil, in his speech, said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has initiated 2 great dream projects, Digital India and Skill India, in order to create a developed India. And Deen Dayal Kaushal Kendra was started as part of the Skill India program.
Skill India, Digital India, ಅನ್ನುವ ಕಲ್ಪನೆಯಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ದೀನ್ ದಯಾಳ್ ಕೌಶಲ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಆಗಿದೆ. 2 ಗುರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ದೀನ್ ದಯಾಳ್ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದನೇದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್
The first batch students were awarded with certificates during the ceremony. Dr. T.D. Kemparaju, newly appointed Registrar of Mangalore University, Captain Ganesh Karnik, Member Karnataka Legislative Council, Mr. A.M. Narahari, Registrar of St. Aloysius College, Sri Ivan D'Souza, Member Karnataka Legislative Council, Father Denzel Lobo, Rector of Aloysius Institutions, and Father Xavier Alphonse were also the chief guests of the program. The program concluded with the national anthem.
There is a time for everything, a time to be born, to live and to enjoy, a time to work and to rest. Let's have a glance at some of the elderly.
Away from the bustle of the city, nestling in a sheltered hollow of Bondal's rolling green hills, home for the elderly, Nazareth Niwas, a refuge of peace and rest, provides an ideal refuge for those seeking comfort and serenity in their golden years. Under the management and attention of the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa and devoted care of staff, the residents are assured that their material and spiritual needs will always be the center of the focus and concern of this home.
We have number of home for the aged, but this is a different house. This is a house where most of the residents have worked, retired, and they seek a comfortable place. Most of the times now, their children study and they go outside for work, and there they live. They cannot be with their parents because the environment is not suitable for them wherever they are. Most of the children are in the Gulf, Australia, London, USA. Such is the place at this age. The parents find difficult to stay over there. Therefore, their children seek a house where they can give them the comfortable life.
This institution was inaugurated in the year 2010, 21st April. The residents are free to do their own activities. They spend time in praying, watching TV, reading, listening to music, chit-chatting, and entertaining each other.
जाएगा मिलकर बादल का साथ बनाएगा
Was on the Isle of Capri that I found her, beneath the shade of an old walnut tree. I could still see the flowers blooming round her. That's where we met on the Isle of Capri. Summertime is nearly over, blue Italian skies above.
The best thing a child can do is take care of her parents in the old age. That's what I would like to do. And I am also waiting to go back to my children because I feel helpless now. I am not that energetic and capable of doing things. Even to make a cup of tea, I feel, oh God, I wish somebody could make it like that. Things drop and now energy is... Sister Reba is a full-fledged nurse working at Nazareth Nivas. Sister has been working for the elderly for the past 15 years.
We have named this house as Nazareth Nivas just because one of our sisters, Sister Joseph, belongs to Bondel. This house is in Bondel, opposite to St. Lawrence Church, behind Taiji World. When Sister Joseph's brothers were dividing the property, they asked her, do you want or your congregation want to do anything? We have a purpose. Our parents had a desire to have a home for the elderly. And therefore sister said, yes, if you give us the land, I will ask our Superior General. That time it was Sister Vitrin who was the Superior General. And she said yes. Of course, this house is built by us and everything we have done.
Residents at Nazareth Nivas are self-satisfied, contented, happy and cheerful.
That's all for this week. We'll see you next week. I'm your host Sebin Thomas, signing off. Keep watching Campus Eye.
Any prediction being urgent helps your mind to be refreshed. ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಇದೆ.